Here's Aaron and Kellen's new game. Daddy belly flops on the bed.
You.
And when Ollie's done, Kellen goes.
Again.
Here we go. Here we go, standing up for a belly flop. Oh, getting close to the edge though. Careful, he's getting close to the edge, eh?
Oh, you're getting close to the edge. Yeah. There you go.
Kellen, do it again.
Again.
Do it again. Let's see it. Ah! One more time. There we go. Whoop.
Again.
Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Okay, here we go. Grand finale. Ready? Let's go.